Current robotics technology have allowed for the development of very sophisticated robots, which have actually proved to be very helpful. For instance, in the current ongoing COVID-19 pandemic all over around the world, due to the contagiousness of the disease, robots have come in to help out, to help prevent the spread of COVID-19, such as collecting patients' information, for instance, as you can see on the left screen here, and also fumigating the streets. They've been used to fumigate streets, and also they've been used for cleaning hospitals, and they've been used for carrying food to patients, and also they've been used to carry medicine to patients so that we can reduce that contact to contact patients to patients, and also and hence reduce the possibility of the disease um, transacting the disease across different people. And of course, the drones have also been used as well in this ongoing pandemic. For instance, they've been used in parks and in the streets to announce to people to observe the rules, for instance, of social distancing, and to also warn them, for example, people in parks. They've also been told like to go home, and also they've been used to carry also food to people like in houses, in houses who are conducting the social distancing rule and isolating themselves at home. They've been used to deliver food. So these are just some of the very current application of drones that have been used. Or drones have also been used in so many different areas. For example, they've been used like in goods delivery, medicine, in delivering medicine, and delivering, like for example, orders like food, for example, and so and also they have been used by the military, for example. So drones have had tremendous application in our modern life. Um, to look at, for instance, the future application of drones or areas which drones have not been applied yet is, for instance, there is a vision of, drone taxis, for instance, where drones will be used as taxis, and to move from one point to another, just to reduce the congestion in road, because drones are not limited to just one to following like the road infrastructure. And so we also have drone application in such a in giving a wireless cellular network, for instance, in areas which have been hit by, let's say, a natural phenomena such as maybe floods or a hurricane, and then all the base station will be are destroyed, hence the loss of wireless network. Drones can be used to provide temporary cellular service, as well as also like stadiums, for instance, which have been, as well as stadiums, and we need to provide a cellular network to a large gathering of people. Drones can be used in to provide such an emergency cellular network.